Hi everyone, welcome back to Solve for S from this given nice, beautiful math Olympiad problem. S raised to power 3 minus x is equal to 120. Can you actually solve this? But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Let us begin. We have the given equation s raised to power 3 minus s is equal to 120. Now let us see if s is equal to 1 is equal to 120. This is 1 raised to power 3 minus 1 is not equal to 120. If s is equal to 2, we have 2 raised to power 3 minus 2. This is not also equal to 120. If s is equal to 3, we have 3 raised to power 3, that is 27 minus 3 is not equal to 120. If x is equal to 4, this is 4 raised to power 3 minus 4. This is not equal to 120 because 4 raised to power 3 is 64 minus 4 is going to be equal to 60. If s is equal to 5, let's see. This is 5 raised to power 3 minus 5. This is equal to 120 because 5 raised to power 3, this is 125 minus 5. This is equal to 120. Therefore, the equation is s raised to power 3 minus s is equal to 120. Now, let us replace this 120 by this. S raised to power 3 minus x minus 120 is equal to 0. S raised to power 3 minus s minus 120 is 125 minus 5 is equal to 0. S raised to power 3 minus s minus 125 plus 5 is equal to 0. 125 is equal to 5 raised to power 3. S raised to power 3 minus x minus 5 raised to power 3 plus 5 is equal to 0. Now this is s raised to power 3, this is 5 raised to power 3. Here is x, this is raised to the power of 1, and this is 5 raised to the power of 1. Let us pair. S raised to power 3 minus 5 raised to power 3 in bracket. Then this is minus, here is x minus 5 is equal to 0. Take note of this, that if you have a raised to power 3 minus b raised to the power of 3 is equal to a minus b bracket a square plus ab plus b square, where a is equal to x and b is equal to 5. Here we have s minus 5 bracket a square plus 5s plus 5 square minus x minus 5 is equal to 0. S minus 5 is common here and is here. Let us factor it out. S minus 5 bracket. If you divide the whole of this by this s minus 5, we have s squared plus 5s plus 5 squared, 25. Then if you divide this by this, we have minus 1 is equal to 0. There are two cases here. S minus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, S is equal to 5. This is the first value of S. And the second case, S squared plus 5S plus 25 minus 1, that is 24, is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation which can be solved using quadratic general formula. And now quadratic general formula is given as S is equal to minus B plus or minus square root of B squared minus 4AC over 2A. Then from this equation, A is equal to 1, B is equal to 5, C is equal to 24. S is equal to minus 5 plus or minus square root of 5 square minus 4 multiplied by A is 1 multiplied by C is 24 over 2 multiplied by 1. X is equal to minus 5 plus or minus square root of 5 square, 25 minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 24. That is 96 over 2 multiplied by 1, 2. X is equal to minus 5 plus or minus square root of 25 minus 96. This is minus 71 over 2. Then X is equal to minus 5 plus or minus square root of minus 71 can be written as square root of 71 multiplied by minus 1 over 2. X is equal to minus 5 plus or minus square root of minus 1 is I root 71 over 2. Therefore, our final answer are x1 is equal to 5, which is the real root. x2 is equal to minus 5 plus I square root of 71 over 2, which is complex. Then s3 is equal to minus 5 minus I square root of 71 over 2, which is also complex. These two are complex. Then this is the only real root we have. We may check to confirm using this real root solution if our answer is right or wrong. To check, we have the given equation x raised to power 3 minus x is equal to 120 if s is equal to 5. This is 5 raised to power 3 minus 5 must be equal to 120. 5 raised to power 3, this is 125 minus 5 must be equal to 120. And of course, 125 minus 5, this is 120 is equal to 120, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.